Every morning, fresh, high-quality milk begins its journey from our pristine dairy farm to the Magnum factory. Flow rate confirmed on line 3. Levels are rising steadily.
Excellent. Initiate the pre-chill sequence.
The temperature in Unit 3 is fluctuating slightly.
It's within the acceptable parameters, but keep an eye on the flow rate.
The mixture is passing through the homogenizer smoothly. Confirmed. The texture is rich and creamy, ready for cooling.
This batch looks good, very shiny.
Yes, the crispness is perfect.
Refrigerated trucks leave the Magnum ice cream factory. GPS systems monitor every truck, ensuring the perfect frozen temperature. The transportation...
Okay, 50 cases confirmed. Sign here. Appreciate it. We'll get these inside.
Look, I want this one.
Which flavor do you like better, honey? This one or this one?
We'll take them both.
All right, that's everything scanned.
Tapping now. We are so excited to eat these.
They look delicious. Have a great day.
This is absolutely divine.
The crunch on this is just perfect.